guys, I'm back. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make Branzino fish with side vegetable and mango salsa. So this dish is very popular and very simple, so everywhere. And these are all the ingredients: Branzino fish, butter, garlic powder, black pepper, paprika powder, sea salt, cumin powder, olive oil, one potato, carrot, green pepper, parsley, cauliflower, cilantro, mango, cucumber, onions, jalapeno, lemon, lime. So those are ingredients is going to with Branzino fish. So Branzino fish is very famous in the world, and that is fish came from Mediterranean sea bass. It's from Europe. And today I'm going to shallow pan fry with butter Branzino fish. So I'm going to cut for side vegetable, cauliflower, green pepper, potato, and carrot. Just you cut like a batonette and dice cut the carrot and bell pepper and potato and cauliflower, and just boil like 3 minutes in the hot water and take out. And after that we're gonna saute with pan in olive oil and salt and pepper and paprika powder. And that's the first step. Second step, I'm going to make the mango salsa. Mango salsa, I'm gonna use the half of the mango and lime and a half of the red onions and one jalapeno and a half of the cucumber and cilantro and salt and pepper, and that's it. Guys, I clean already inside and I take out already the scale from the both side. Look at that, now it's very shiny and very soft. So I'm going to cut the fish. So remove this spin. Because it is bone is very strong. So when you cutting the fillet, so all the time your knife is put like that and check it's hot or cold, and do like that. And other side same. And then you see that they over there fin. So this is a bone side. A little bone over here. And after that, knife like that. Slowly, see? Slowly. Nice, very soft, because this part is bone, and be careful. Slowly. Because inside little bit hard. Look at that. It's come nice play. So you have other side also same. So you have to cut same way both side, and because this is very, it's complicated. And check the bone over here. And I have a little bit bone and clean slowly because I don't want to waste the fish, and use the stitcher, this one, for the bone. You see, it's too hard. Okay. One more over here. So always I check my hand. I have to take one by one. It's very strong. Yeah, that's the ready now. Nice play. Look at that. Nice. And after that, we make mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if you cut like that, because everything seasoning and butter is going inside, and more texture and more soft. Look at that. Very nice play. And guys, this one, the bone, so you can use for the fish stock. Okay guys, I'm going to saute vegetable with little bit olive and salt and pepper. So this vegetable, carrot, potato and cauliflower I boil already. So this is a green pepper is 30 gram, carrot 20 gram, and potato 60 gram, and cauliflower 50 gram. So I'm going to here now saute little bit salt and pepper. So drop the little bit oil. And make sure pan is hot. So let them like 30 seconds. As soon as pan hot, so I'm going to add the pepper. Everything together. This is the sauté vegetable with salt and pepper and olive oil, and look like very simple, healthy and very delicious. And 3 pinch salt. Woo, look at that. Sea salt. Woo, just 3 pinch. And paprika powder. Just little bit spring. That's it. And you saute like 2 minutes. After 2 minutes it's done. So those things I'm going to mix together for the mango salad. So onion is 25 gram. So mango 35 gram. Cilantro 3 stand. Cucumber 20 gram. 15 gram jalapeno. And the sea salt, half teaspoon. Woo, look at that. And black pepper, just little bit. And lime, half of the lime. And I'm going to squeeze. Woo, look at that. And after that, mix together. This is a fillet. Is one fillet is almost 3.5 ounce and total 7 ounce. So I'm going to put seasoning the both side. So olive oil, salt, pepper. So first I'm going to put sea salt on the top, just little bit like that. So other side also little bit, and black pepper both side. And garlic powder. Garlic powder only one side. And chili powder. And rub slowly on the other side. And I'm going to add cumin powder, half teaspoon. And rub both sides. And little bit more salt on the side. That's it. So I'm going to shallow pan fry over there with butter. Okay guys, I'm going to add the butter, 1 spoon, and move like that pan. Look at that, this pan is perfect hot. And I'm going to put Branzino fish, the skin side, and make sure the skin is like a crispy, golden brown. And so let that one side 3 minutes, after 3 minutes, and fill up other side. So, and this is the 2/2 the lemon. So I'm going to make, this is like a chard. A chard means like a burnt flavor. So just cut into the 2 pieces and cook over here. So Branzino fish, no need to cook longer because it is fish. So you can eat also the medium rare. It doesn't matter. It's not like a chicken. And the Branzino fish supposed to be cooked like only the 4 to 5 minutes, the shallow fry. So I'm going to turn off other side 2 minutes. Look at that. So color is coming little bit golden brown. So after 2 minutes, so salmon is done, and the color also came like a golden brown and nasty. And before I cut the 2 like that, you see the like a triangle on the top of the salmon. Why? Because if you cut like that, all seasoning is going to inside the salmon, and the salmon is come very good, tasty, and the perfect cook also. And this is a guys, look, 2 pieces lemon. It's smoking coming. So it's called, it's like a charred lemon, and charred means it's like a burnt flavor, and juices come like a warm and brusque flavor. Okay guys, it is ready now. Branzino fish and lemon chard. Look at that. Its look is very delicious and perfect, golden brown, and the butter is everywhere is sprinkling. And this is a very good cook way, pan fry Branzino fish. And guys, you should try at home. 100% you like it. Perfect and very easy to cook also, and then very healthy also. I'm going to plating in now the vegetable, a side dish. Okay, this is a cauliflower. And potato. This is a Branzino fish, and this is a butter. You just spray the on the top, because this is a part of the base and look like a juicy and light. And then add the parsley, chopped parsley on the top, spring like that, and the mango salsa. Okay guys, this is ready. Branzino fish with side vegetable and mango salsa and charred lemon. So I'm going to taste this food, so I'm so excited. And this is don't think is look like it's very difficult, but it's not difficult. It's very easy to you can make at home, and it's very delicious also. And if you follow my way cooking style, 100% as a food is came like delicious, perfect, and easy to cook also. So I'm going to taste first potato. It's very good. Seasoning is perfect, salt and pepper and smoke flavor. So I'm going to squeeze this charred lemon. Ooh. And then, oh, very soft, tender. Whoa, wow. Wow. Mmm. Mmm. This is a real food. I love it. I love it. So this is very good taste. And I'm going to try the mango salsa. That's very good. So everything is perfect. Seasoning, sour, salt, smoke flavor, and the fish is like a very soft and skin is crunchy, and the lemon, the burnt flavor. Okay guys, this is it. Thank you for watching my video. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Please subscribe my channel. If you have any suggestion about this video, please don't forget to write comment in box. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.